Hi guys, my name is Okwemiko, and in this video I'll be talking to you all about something pretty much exciting, and that is the new Bartholomew e-commerce templates. Although this is a front-end thing, so you can actually link up your backend with these templates, and of course, just if you don't know what Bartholomew is, it's a lightweight CMS where all your content runs from a markdown file. So that's what Bartholomew is. All your contents, everything that displays on a website or on a Bartholomew website is all from a markdown file. And in this video, I'll be taking you through how the Bartholomew e-commerce template works, how you can build an e-commerce UI with Bartholomew. It's something I implemented this week, and it's something you really don't want to miss. And in this video, you'll be learning how to use it. You'll be learning um, just different stuff. And just if you don't know Bartholomew, this video is also good for you to start with. So this is a place to get started with. The e-commerce templates repository on GitHub. You can find it my GitHub handle here, and it's a repository in here. So let's get started to the real deal, which you have here. From your terminal, you can just do git clone, then just fetch this out. Then, of course, dot cert rather. Then it clones out our e-commerce templates, and we should just see it in a few minutes or a few seconds away from now. So what we'll do after then is getting into our code base by doing this, and then our VS Code pops up, and from here we can actually get started with everything. And firstly, one thing you have to know is this: you need to have this pin binary, the latest pin binary, which is this 0.6.0 version. You need to have that version on your computer already. And this is where you get to edit your contents. You can see this folder here, and under this folder you have this blog folder, and everything. We have this blog folder, we have this kids folder. Under the contents folder, we have the latest folder where you can see everything under latest. You can see men listing, then women listing, and then the main files that displays the main pages are here. Of course, this is how they are linked with each other. If you go to the configuration sites.toml, this is everything. So these templates actually works with it. These are the sites to be indexed. These are the pages to be indexed. Just as you can see main.hbs, you can see blog.hbs, you can see allmen.hbs, you can see allwomen.hbs, and then in these main files, you would actually see stuff like this. For example, this one is directly even known to be working with this, and this. So, but for the blog.hbs, you'd notice it's working with this one. And how does it work with this? Of course, you've indexed it directly in the sites.toml file, and this directly works with the blog.hbs file, which you can see it here. And for the cards, you can actually see templates here, cards, and it's calling out this cards.hbs file. And also, just as you can see, checkout in here, it works with the checkout templates, which is in here. And then for the all women, this one actually works with this women listing. You would actually see this works with this. So it's actually calling out this template in here. It's calling out this all women template, and just that's how it is directly for others. And yes, so that's how actually it works. It works very, very fine and perfectly. We would actually make use of this. I mean, this, right? And from here, let's see what we can do. Yes. So let's go with the spin version 0.6.0. That means it's actually the latest version. And let's try running it. Spin up. Sorry, spin up. So we'll actually see what it can do. It's 3K, and yeah, there we go. We actually see the cards here. The cards actually working very fine. We can see the latest, the latest items. So this is how it's viewed, and this works in line with this right here, latest and then third. So this works with this page you're seeing here. That's why we have the latest and third here. And then we can see the view all section. We have men, we have women, we have kids, and all this works with the main section of this. You can just let's look at changing the names of the buttons. And all right, so let's look at something else. Let's look at something else. For example, let's look at please hold on. Yeah, let's look at under the latest. We should just change this to let's change it to chemical item. And yes, we can do well to save it, and then we spin up, and let's look at what it's going to give us. Where is open repost item? So it's, yeah, this is it. And in here, you can actually see open repost item once again. You can actually share this item to Twitter. You can share it to Twitter, yeah. And that was built with the Twitter plugin for sharing to socials. I mean, their social media, of course. And here is the footer. Everything in the footer right here works directly with the markdown, the footer's markdown. And yeah, I guess this is everything in here, and this is how it works. So here's the cards, here's the checkouts, and hold on. Okay, I think here. So here is the checkout section where you can find everything in here. And yeah, so that is just it literally for the Bartholomew e-commerce. You could actually bring in your backend code. You can try out many stuff with this because this is just for the UI. And of course, let's just try deploying Fermyon Cloud. Firstly, we have to change the name not to cause any conflict. Let's look out at tutorial e-commerce. You would see this is Fermyon Cloud, and literally the best cloud right now in the market, and it runs very, very fast. And you would see this in a second. And deploying. Of course, I do not have to log in anymore because I actually have my details. Usually you do spin login, But in this case that I have all my credentials and everything working with my PC, you'd have to just go directly to spin deploy. So I don't have to go through the stress of doing that anymore. I mean, spin login anymore. So let's check out our application. It's gone to the web, and please hold on. Yeah, let's look at this. So here it is. Here is the stuff on the cloud, and so it's pretty fast and reliable. Yeah. So with our newly launched clouds, you can actually use it for trying out deploying your Spin application, your Bartholomew applications, and literally this is the best thing out there right now. And thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you found it very useful, and see you soon. I'll drop some useful links, and of course this link you can see right here above. I would actually drop so many useful links and other stuffs in the description below. And thank you very much for watching this video. See you very soon with the great content, of course. Bye.